Hello everyone, I am Ankita Jangid, Assistant Professor. Now, today I have brought a new topic from the human resource management, that is attrition. To deal with attrition is a very challenging task for an HR manager. So, what is attrition? The meaning of attrition in a work environment refers to a reduction in the size or strength of the workforce. The reduction and vacancies take place at workplace due to retirement, resignation, death of an employee, and promotions. The existing manpower has to do extra work of the person who have left the organization, and such a situation is due to attrition. Now, attrition is a issue of human resource management. Now, what happens? There are many employees who leave the organization due to many various reasons. It may be a retirement, it may be a resignation, or death, or promotion. So, due to all these reasons, the seat has been vacant. Now, if no employees will come, or if organization is not filling the gap, then what will happen? The existing employees has to do more work, and they will have to face a extra work burden, and this situation is known as attrition. Now, what are the reasons for attrition? There are so many reasons for attrition, but the few are: to reduce cost. Now, what happens when the employees leave organization? It may be for any reason, but if organization is not filling the vacant seat, that means the cost will reduce. They don't have to recruit another employees. If they are recruiting the another employees, that means they have to pay the salary, the incentives, the bonus, and so on. So it will reduce the cost of organization. Next is unsuitable position. Now suppose if one employee is from finance background and he has given a task of marketing, then what will happen? For a long time he won't be able to sustain in the organization as he is not comfortable in doing the work. So he may leave your organization after some time. Next, lack of freedom. If you are not giving a freedom, a autonomy to your employees, then what will happen? They won't feel comfortable in the workplace, and that may be the one of the reason of attrition. Low wages rate. If you are providing your employees a low salary, a low wages, then they won't join you in the long run. If they got a good opportunity, they will join that another organization. Absence of welfare facilities. If you are not providing your employees a welfare facilities, a good working conditions, drinking facility, refreshments, then insurance policies, then what will happen? They may join another company or organization. Absence of career development. If you are not providing your employees an ample number of opportunities to develop in their career, then they will seek for other job. Next, absence of good industrial relation. If you are not able to maintain a good relation with your employees, your workers, then what will happen? They may leave the organization. So these all are the reasons of attrition, the reasons by which attrition come in the organization. Next, effects of attrition. Now, what will be the impact of attrition at the workplace? It leads to dissatisfaction in existing employees. Now, the employees who are existing in the organization, they have to do a more work, and that will bring a dissatisfaction in them. When attrition occurs, the additional burden increased on the existing employees. Now, your workforce has been reduced. So, the task will remain the same, and that extra work has to done by the existing employees. So that will be a big impact on the workplace due to the reason of attrition. Next is the dissatisfied employees referred to left the job. Now the rest of the employees who are at the workplace, they will become dissatisfied and they may left the job. Next, it adversely affect organizational productivity. Obviously, if your workforce has been reduced, then it will be possible for the existing employees to finish all the tasks on time, and if they are not able to finish their task on time, the productivity will automatically reduced. Next, attrition affects the goodwill and reputation of an organization. If more and more employees are leaving your organization due to the dissatisfaction, due to the low wages, due to the bad working conditions, then automatically your goodwill and reputation will decrease in the market. So these all are the impact, these all are the effects of attrition. The role of HR manager in attrition, as this is the issue of human resource management, then HR manager has to deal with this situation. So what is the role of HR manager in this situation? If HR manager can bring good working condition, good salary with impressive incentives, fair treatment to all employees, then he can control the situation in his organization. If an HR manager is able to motivate and boost the morale of an employee, then also he can control attrition rate considerably. An HR manager should also get helping hand and support from the top level management to cope up with this situation. Now HR manager has to deal with the situations. Now if he is not getting an ample number of support and helping hand from the top level management, then he won't be able to deal with the situation, as he has no rights and no control in his hand. He has to get the support from the top level management so that he can cope up with this situation very effectively. So this is all about attrition. What is attrition, the effect of attrition, and the reasons of attrition at the workplace. Hope it is clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.